All right, how are we doing? Had a little countdown there. Almost didn't start in time, but okay. So let's turn the music down for me. Everything should be set up. We got everything. I just need to get my speech chat going. We can share my screen now. Awesome, look at that. Yeah, I really am enjoying this playlist. This one specifically, definitely. So anyway, let's put this down. So we have a few housekeeping things we have to do. Let's unmute this. Sweet. So we have a few housekeeping things we have to do. How's that music? I was getting hyped up. That music is pretty good. So this is stream 10. We've been doing really well. I added a bunch of things to our to-do list. Some housekeeping things, some things I've noticed throughout the day. But yeah, how is everyone doing? I'm ready to stream. Is this light too bright? I think this light's a little too bright. We'll put that down. I think sound is good. Okay, so first thing here, we have to change the song. I'm still hyped up here. Okay, great. So, first things, I noticed a couple things on the websites. We also have to add a widget to Twitch. So, we made this amazing socials page, but we never added it to Twitch. So, we're definitely missing that. Let's add that first. Let's see what we got here. We have to edit these panels. Sweet. We need to go to our here. And yeah, let's make a little widget. It's a little warm in here. Alright, so let's do socials. Okay, so let's go socials here. What are we at? 90? I think that's the max. That's 125. Alright, let's keep it at 90, and we're gonna upload. Let's see, let's upload some of the social icons. I really enjoyed that timer. That was pretty cool. That was good to get things started. Logos, we need Facebook in there. We're gonna put all of them. YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, Discord, TikTok. I think that's all of them. Right? Oh, hosting. No, hosting we don't have. That's not a social platform. Okay, let's move these down. Maybe go something like this. Let's see. How's the sound? I think it's great. I think I really got like that music to my voice ratio. I got that down. But it was a pretty busy day today. Had some presentations like always. Reached out to a lot of new people today. All right, these are still too big. And just overall good. We have some new partnerships coming in. I'm excited to have during the fall. Whoops. And I think we're gonna finish up that video as well that we were making yesterday for the website. I'll turn on the music a little bit for myself. Alright, let's see. Because how's that looking on Twitch? Because we want it to... Oh, I guess we can't see it yet. Yeah, it's so funny. I'm sitting here looking at this. I'm like, oh my goodness, we never added, like, socials, right? It's up here, but I gotta even edit this, too. How do we... I think that's honestly in... But here, let's make this first. Okay, I think these are still a little too big. But at least they're all the same size. Yeah, yeah, sometimes like you just notice things throughout the day. Like it's good to take a little break and step back and be like, all right, what are we missing? What needs to be fixed, right? Let's see, like something like that. Is that kind of like too basic? Maybe we have to make them all a little smaller. Honestly, I don't even know what we would do for this. I mean, I guess this looks okay. I would almost prefer to just kind of like, let's see, like go like that. Going a little bit closer. Maybe something like... No, I don't know. That's kind of back to what we were before. Maybe there's like something cool we could do for this. We can go like, we can put the... Should we put the 9yaps logo? We only have it once here. I don't really know. Follow the journey. Do we have that yet? I think yeah, we have something really good going on here. We go that slash socials. Follow us as we build 9 yaps. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's kind of what I was going for here. Follow along as we build 9 yaps. It's a little warmer today. I was on like a little walk before I started streaming just to get my steps in. Yeah, you know what? I almost would rather see this be like in the middle and we put all the socials on the side or something like that, right? Like that. Maybe even make them all a little bit smaller. Oh, there we go. Maybe something like that, and then let's put this to the back. Maybe like wait, something's not right. This goes back. Something like that. I mean, that's better, right? That's better than what we had. Maybe we'll... What's like the smallest font that we have? 85? Now we might be getting too small here. Let's see. What's like the smallest font? Like we definitely want with this Monday through Friday thing. That's kind of small. That's 57. Okay, so I think the size is good. Maybe the social icons are just too small. All right, let's move it down. Move it down. Maybe put this like in the middle. Something like that, maybe. We're getting there, right? And maybe this one has to go, maybe this has to go out a little bit more. Or maybe we just kind of put them like that. It's kind of awkward shapes, right? We got like squares, circles, rectangle. Maybe we can go like this. We could drag them out like that. Honestly, I wouldn't mind. I mean, that's better. That's a lot better, honestly. Maybe we'll make everything even a little bit smaller. But you see what I'm going for? It kind of like circles this whole thing. Move back a little bit more. Something like that, right? And then we can line this up, and we can line that up. There we go. Follow along as we build 9 yaps. That's a lot. That's pretty cool. Maybe even make this like 70. Sweet. Like that. The only thing though, this seems off. There we go. Oh, that's so much better. Just a little bit farther out. A little bit farther back. There we go. Beautiful, right? Follow along as we build 9 yaps. Okay. Alright, yeah, I think the mic is good. It was a little bit too, I think it was a little bit too loud before. Okay, so we want to go edit panels. New panel. We gotta add an image. Oh wait, I put a background and move on the image. Whoops. Let's see. There we go. Starting to cool off a little bit. Whoops. That's a glitch. That's a glitch. Okay, hold on. Refresh that real quick. Alright. Edit panels. Why does it seem like we have... Yeah, we do. That's so weird. Okay, hold on. Refresh that one more time. It's glitching out just a little bit. Okay, blank. Filled, filled, filled. Okay.
Jan Fletcher said, in your opinion, what is the best way to sell a tech software already finalized? I mean, like if it was a rapid exit.
Okay, so you're saying, in my opinion, what is the best way to sell tech software already finalized? Like, so if it's already complete, I mean, if it was rapid exit. So you have to prove the concept. So, like for instance, 9yaps, right? Technically, I could build the technology I mean, ours is a little bit different because you have to get customers, but maybe for yours, yeah, you have to prove the concept. So, like, for instance, Cal AI is a good subject to touch on. He built something within however many couple years it was, and then sold it right away. But before he could sell it, he had to provide a lot of value. So yeah, so you have to provide value really. Um, and value could be users. So like when I was doing research on Groupon, they actually have a really great documentary on Groupon. Follow us on social media. Groupon has a great story because they were able to, or they got offers to sell. They never sold, but they had offers to sell because each user was worth like however much it was. Let's just say each user was worth like $2, right? And they had like all these million users. Their valuation, their rapid exit, or could have been an exit, was timesing about how many users. So it's probably hard to just create a product and then sell it without having customers. I'm trying to think if there's an example of something maybe that's sold without users. Yeah, okay, and if it doesn't have customers, like Groupon or like an app or something like that, then it would have to be something that you have a patent on that other companies want, possibly. So I'm thinking of like the medical field, right? If you build a machine for, let's just say, Advent Health in Florida, right? They might buy that from you because it's so valuable. And they need it, right? It either makes things faster or makes them more money. So that's my long explanation for it, if that helps. All right, then that should bring us right to here. Sweet. But yeah, that's the way to go. And then after you gotta reach out to people, right? You got to follow along as we build 9 yaps. I love that. Yeah, you also have to get interest too. Interest, opinion. See if it's something people want. See what you have to maybe make edits to. Hostinger. So yeah, that would be my advice on that. Definitely, it's possible. It's a little bit harder with unless you prove the concept, but I think this is this. Sure, is it gonna make me do? Oh, okay, great. We're gonna have to do that. Yeah, it really just depends on the product. You know, if it's a service. If it's like a tool, it really depends on what it is, right? And like the difference maybe between like 9yaps and Cal AI is that Cal AI, Facebook, stuff like that, you build a platform and it grows on its own, right? It's usually pretty hard to do that, pretty rare. But that's a fast way to do it, right? For 9yaps, you know, I have to probably have thousands of businesses on the platform before somebody like Uber Eats would be like, hey, we want to buy you out because you're either taking too much market share, or we just want to buy it, right? That's another way to think of it too. Okay, so what we did, oh yeah, we need a widgets for the socials. Done.
Assuming that it works and helps, for example, hospitals, particularly in the field of oncology cell detection and analysis. How is possible to get the right spotlight? It's a domain very close to these things.
Okay, so some type of, assuming that it works and helps, for example, hospitals. So really you this thing's already built. It's really getting opinions now, right? I don't know anything about oncology cell detection, but let's just say you find someone that works in that field, and I'm assuming it's going to help either make it go faster or it's going to actually detect something, right? Then yeah, you probably have to run your own research, right? So like, I'm thinking like, oh, okay, I can detect cells. All right, let's just because I'm not a professional about what you're saying, but like I would either run my own research or find someone that's doing that research, right? That's having an issue, and say, listen, try my product and see if you have better luck with it, right? And then eventually, that doctor or researcher is going to be like, oh wow, this makes my job like so much easier. Like I wish I had this, right? And then you find another person. They say, oh, you know, I like this, but maybe we could change this in it. And then you can go back to person A and say, hey, listen, I just talked to person B and they thought this would make it better or easier or something like that. And then that's when you start like finalizing the product, right? Because you got to get opinions either way. And then once that's done, you're gonna want to either pitch it to whoever the executive is at the hospital. That's probably not even the hardest part. It's just contacting people, reaching out. Like for instance, like when we had our strategic partnerships for certain companies, I would use like a mixture of ChatGPT and LinkedIn, and I would say, all right, give me all these people that I could talk to that work for this company, and I'll just reach out to every single one of them until you find one person that is either the best person to talk to or could point you in the direction of could point you in the right direction to talk to. So yeah, that's definitely what I would recommend. You have to find a need, and then once you find that need, sell it. And yeah, but really the perfect thing, the hardest thing is making the product, right? Making it something that people are going to need and use. That sounds pretty cool. And especially if you get that, once you get it right and you find a buyer or whatever not, you're pretty much set. Like there was this guy at a pitch competition, and he created this tool that helps with like patient's recovery, right? He had a contract.
Let's assuming a patient with a cancer diagnosed comes in hospital. ChatGPT and Anthropic computer vision models are unable to monitor a video sample of the cancer cell's evolution in a time lapse of hours and days. Strategically, it should pertinent for a rapid sell, but I missed this contact because I'm slightly too technical and bad in communication marketing.
Okay, let's see what page of it. Okay, so let's assume a patient has cancer. Diagnosis comes into the hospital, right? Okay, and then they're unable to monitor it. A video sample of the cancer. So it seems like you're describing like the what problem you're starting to solve. So yeah, you got to find somebody with cancer, and you guys say, listen, like we found this guy. We used my product to monitor a video sample of the cancer, and then look at this, right? Like, I don't know much more like than what you're telling me about the subject, but that's pretty much it, right? Cause yeah, that's what the guy did at the pitch competition. He was like, these people are unable to walk. They use my product and they're able to walk 6 times faster. Whatever it is, that's kind of what you got to do. You got to build a study, and then I don't know much about this, but maybe you could find someone to publish your study. Maybe you partner with a business or a school, right? And then they do more research on it. Now something like that, you might want to, you might need a patent for. I'm not sure. My opinions on patents are don't get it unless you need it, right? Like 9 Yaps doesn't need a patent. But for instance, like if I was patenting this water bottle, right? Like, unless like it's something very, very unique, I probably wouldn't put a patent on it. Now, what you're saying seems like you might want to try to do that because if you're out there doing tests and all that, you might not want someone to take the idea or something like that. I'm not sure, but yeah, find a test subject, right? A patient that could use your service and show and let everyone know it works. That you were able to monitor a sample of their cancer in real time, in a time lapse of hours and days. Yeah. If that helps, I hope that helps. Yan Fletcher, welcome. I love yeah, I love the questions. Keep throwing them out at me. But yeah, it's really proving the concept. That's really all it is. It's proving the concept and then just keep going. And then you say, I'm slightly too technical and bad in communication marketing. Yeah, I mean, like with something like that, you don't really need like on the ground marketing, like what, like this for instance, right? I want to switch. I think what we're gonna do here. Let's go like this. Yeah, because really most of your communication is going to be done in person, right? And at that point, you are talking with people who already know what you know pretty much, right? They're gonna understand like your language, right? And then everything else is through email. Who's the best person to speak with to talk about this product I made that works very, very well? All right, I think we want to switch this one with Stream Socials. Yeah, because something like that, you don't need to be good at marketing. It's just finding the right person, right, to make those type of decisions, to say, okay, this is going to save us a lot of time and money. We want your product. Let's either license it, buy it. You said you want a rapid exit, then that's them buying it, right? Buying the patent.
Cancer can be cured if it is spotted and monitored correctly, but unfortunately a lot of patients comes late. So it's extremely harder to save their lives. The SaaS B2B direction seems good, but I think a rapid exit would be preferable for someone with my profile.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. I actually have been seeing some ads about that where it's like detect cancer early or something like that. Yeah, so so you need to find someone that has very early stages of cancer that maybe wouldn't be able to detect it otherwise, but you detect it, and then and then that's your proof of concept. Yeah, if you want a rapid exit, you probably have to have a patent on it, because what I'm thinking, right, when you own a patent, right, you own the tool, right, and that tool is detecting cancer, right, monitoring cancer correctly. Then having that patent, someone that's going to buy it is either going to say, how much do I have to pay you to use your product, or how much can I pay you to buy it all out, right? So yeah, first you got to yeah, you might need a patent for that. I'm not an expert in that, but there are actually a lot of people you could speak with though about that. If you want contacts for that, like at least I could like maybe put you in the right direction. Cause yeah, that's the easy part. If you have the product and it works and all that stuff, like everything else is I wouldn't say it's easy, but like yeah, it's not the hardest thing. But it's securing like the patent and everything you need to do to make sure it's protected. Okay, this has to flip now, so we need to. But it sounds great. Anything with solving cancer, stuff like that, it's harder market, but if you own it, right, and no one else owns it, whoops, then you know that's your advantage, right? Completely different business than 9yaps, definitely. Okay, yeah. So what I'm doing basically is moving this 9yaps USF thing like more forward because we have the most traction on that. I didn't really have to do all this that I'm doing right now, but I am to just to kind of show it off a little bit more. Maybe I didn't have to do all this, but we're gonna do it anyway. Yeah, and patents are really expensive too. I know that takes a lot of time, really expensive. Like you're definitely gonna want some feedback before you file anything like that. But
Jan Fletcher said, "Can I ask the topic and concept about your startup?"
Yeah, so basically 9yaps it is for customers, customers of restaurants and things like that. It's an app to find discounts in Tampa Bay, right? Very strictly Tampa Bay. And for businesses, it's a platform where they can list their discounts to customers. So, whoops, let me move that back. Yeah, so basically that's what it is. Basically, we have an app where businesses pay us monthly to offer discounts to customers, right? Like the local pizza shop might not have a way to list their discounts besides like on their website or social media. So we basically give them a platform to list these discounts, change them, and then promote them to our existing audience, but then also promote them to their existing customers, saying, hey, listen, you could download 9yaps and you could see all of our newest discounts, right? And it's really built through community, if that makes sense. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's like a ooh, wow, that really all oof. Woo, I have to change all these. That's okay. Yeah, it's really like a digital coupon book is a really good way to put it. It's nothing too crazy innovating, but it's a service that these businesses like because it's affordable and it allows them to engage with their customers, you know, besides through like their website and social media. Because quite frankly, you go to the local pizza place, you don't hear anything about them unless there's like an ad or yeah, it's pretty much it, or you just remember it, right? But these customers have 9yaps where they are damn, this whole thing kind of got messed up here, where customers already have 9yaps, so they're already checking it frequently. Okay, I gotta use my phone here because
Jan Fletcher said, cool. And have you formally created the enterprise or you're still choosing its model?
oh, so no, I actually spent the last 2 years finding the best model that works for us. But really, it's pretty much just fully developed, right? Businesses pay monthly, they go on the app, and then that's it. It's because yeah, we were charging a little bit more, we were charging per semester and all that stuff, but it's fully booming. We've been going for 2 years. We got a bunch of businesses paying, a bunch of users during like the fall, because our main user base is students, but we are starting to expand it out so everyone can use the app. Yeah, we have like hundreds and hundreds of people using Deals every single week, which is awesome. Yeah, I'm pulling up my phone. I forgot how we had of this because it likes to move around. Hostinger likes to move around. By the way, Yan, you should have a website for what you're doing, so you could show all of your case studies, all of your research, your products. Once it's either like, once you're ready for that stage. But yeah, that's what I would be. Definitely having a website to showcase everything. Okay, 9yaps USF goes next. I can't believe all this stuff moved. Hey, if you need a website, you could use this one. This one's pretty good if you're not a developer. It's cheap, but you deal with some small stuff like having to drag all this stuff everywhere, but it works for me. But yeah, like if you have something that like you know is a great product, keep pushing for it, really, because it is worth it. Like if you could find someone to buy your product like that, or honestly, like you might like I know you said you want like a quick exit. Like unless you want to start something new, you might want to license it, right? I mean, unless you're offered a big enough check, but basically like you create the product, it's done. Like you don't do any work, right? But if Advent Health of Florida wants to use it, they got to pay you monthly or something like that. But then again, then you're going into more business stuff and all that. Which if that's not what you want to do, you just want a quick exit, want a quick make a quick, however much it's worth, you know, then that's a little different, you know. But if you could license something, that's like one of the best type of businesses to get into. Like I could theoretically do it with 9yaps, where people like if they want to start it in like another area in the world, they could pay me monthly to use the app, right? Instead of just me selling it and then someone does whatever they want with it, which is fine, but you'll make more money licensing it because it's reoccurring. Alright, that's gonna have to go like that. Okay. Man, this thing really kind of moved around. I think this was supposed to be for... I probably have to check all these later, but that's okay. Yeah, I love it though. I love the business side of it. See, for me, it's like, I don't see myself selling, like, rapid exit, but I don't know. I always say you never know when, you never know what your mindset's gonna be once it gets to that point, right? Like Cal AI, right? I know he just sold, like I think he sold, I don't know when he sold, but I know he sold to like MyFitnessPal, which I use MyFitnessPal. And he sold for like, I think it was like 100 million, and like his cut was like 50 million, something like that. Like that's a little hard to that's a little hard to pass up, you know, especially because like I don't think he was fully passionate about like creating a fitness app. He I think he yeah, because he even says it publicly. He probably loves what he does, right? Of course. but like it wasn't a business that he saw himself being in long term, right? Where like 9yaps, like it's like my child. Like I definitely would see this long term, just because I'm passionate about it and it's a lot of fun. I don't know what else I would do, right? Like I don't have I'm not like, I don't have that mindset where it's like, ooh, I want to start my next venture. And some people do, and that's perfectly fine, right? I know Callie, or that founder, he's already working on his next project, and that's great. You know, and maybe that's what you want to do. You know, that works, right? And then you just exit and you start something else. So, yeah. All right, we're doing good here. I have to really move things around.
Fletcher said, "It's very tricky, my situation. The problem is that I have also to go with a scientific publication, since it will regard mainly PhDs and biologists working in hospitals and clinics, or research. Selling it in a starter form to Microsoft or Zay seems easier and effective in the short term. I don't know."
I have to fix the speech text. It's too slow. I gotta also turn it up. But okay, so you said it's tricky because I also have to go with the scientific publication. I'm assuming that's like publishing like your discovery, since it will regard mainly. Yeah, you know what? That's true. I mean, I see what you're saying. Now that you say that, there's who is saying this? Oh, I think it was in like some real. What was that? Someone, I don't know where I heard this, but somebody was working on like an AI tool for like 5 years, and like he just sold it for like $200,000. And I don't think he had many customers. I think it was kind of what you're saying. He was ready to exit. He just built the tool and then sold it. So, I was just looking. This is looking good. So yeah, that is something you could do. You just have to have the perfect product, and you gotta find the perfect customer, right? And you also have to make sure that no one else is doing it, and it's something that people can't just steal, I guess, from you, right? Like if you're gonna be going to Microsoft, you gotta definitely be protecting yourself. NDAs, patent if needed, right? Like that's where it's like you gotta make sure so no one can take it, you know. All right, how is this looking? I feel like the spacing's a little. Do we need more space? Right, because now we got the 9yaps USF kind of like there, you know. That's kind of what I wanted to do. Yeah, it's tricky. That's definitely it's trickier business, but if you own what you created, you're gonna be chilling. Let's see. Let's close this out. 9yaps USF. It's gonna look a little crazy right now because I'm gonna click through all these links. Yeah, but thanks for all the questions though. Like I like thinking in different ways, right? Like, and especially that, because I don't know anything about medical devices. I don't know anything about coding, technology, and all this stuff. But I know business, right? Business is the same across every single industry, right? It's just a little bit. It's just the path to get there is a little bit different, right? Because the end goal is either to make a lot of money or to sell, right? And if you want to be ready to sell, there's different things you have to do and stuff like that. Okay, I think this is good, right? We whoops, let's go back here. So we moved this so it's a little bit more out in the open, and we switched this so that you could see. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's update it. Yeah, you have to network. Honestly, I recommend networking. You know what you should do? Find someone. Okay.
Publishing the project and the license in a VC website to recruit funding from investors. Maybe it's better, but what I don't see is what to do next.
Okay, if your product is done, all right. I mean, I would constantly get feedback, right? So really, what I would do is get feedback. If you haven't already, if the product's perfect, then maybe you're ready for the next step. The second thing is yeah, you got to network. You got to find a customer, right? And you also have to present it, right? So you're gonna need a pitch deck, right? You're gonna need probably a business plan. This is all really basic stuff, but you have to make yourself look good, right? Like if I was to sell 9yaps right now, right? I got the website, I got all the data. I'm not gonna talk about like customers or users because it seems a little different. But yeah, position yourself to be ready to sell. Like if Microsoft came to you right now and says, all right, I'm ready to buy your product, right? They're probably gonna ask, How much is this going to cost us? What are the profit margins? Is it something that we have to make units, or is it something that it's just one machine per hospital, right? Is it a single use? Is it something that can be used multiple times, right? I'm just thinking of all different questions, right? Because when you're ready to sell, it's probably going to take a long time. It's probably going to take like 6 months to a year. It took Kali a year to sell, because that's what you have to be able to answer all the questions. You can actually look it up. There is I don't know where I saw this. Oh yeah, I think when I was thinking about franchising, you have to have all these papers ready, right? It's yeah, you got to be able to pitch it. You got to say how they're gonna make money, or how it's gonna save them money, how they're gonna implement it into their existing systems, right? That's the business plan. Yeah, so basically you can go and you're just ready to collect. That's pretty much what you want to be, because if not, you're gonna have to go through that either way. Okay, let's see what we said again. So yeah, you probably want a website, right? Well, I'm going to assume that what you created is protected, right? Meaning that nobody could duplicate it, copy it, steal it, and stuff like that. You're going to want a website to show it off, like showing your product and all that stuff. Yeah, because like, yeah, definitely. I don't know if I updated this or not, but you're definitely going to want to have a website. And if you need a website, you know, you get 20% off with Hostinger. But if you're a developer and coder, I don't recommend that. But if you don't know anything like I do, it's a good drag and drop. That's what I'm doing right now. Like you could easily put a website together quickly, right? Like this is my product, right? Here's how it works. This is our research, right? This is like we have a case study. It works, right? Like this patient was able to detect their cancer, right? Here's some pictures. Here's some feedback from researchers, and then so on, right? How to contact me. I'm ready to sell. Want to buy this product? Here it is, right? Like you want to position yourself in a way to be able to say it's ready to go.
Jan Fletcher said, "So do you have a code?"
I do. If okay, so before I answer that, if you know how to code and develop, you probably want to do your own website. If you don't know how to, and you just like this easy drag and drop stuff, you can go right here to the what is this? The my page. Scroll down on the about, and it's right here. You just click on this, and it gives you like 20% off. Like you can see right here. There's like a referral up here. Kaylee, my girlfriend's gonna be using this soon too, because she wants to have her own website for her personal branding. You should have one for your personal branding probably too. You want to have your LinkedIn ready. See, you definitely have to. Yeah, you definitely have to sell yourself. If you don't have LinkedIn set up, I would optimize that completely to show off yourself. Because when someone's buying something from you, they have to trust you, right? They have to know who you are. So having a good LinkedIn is good too. But yeah, so you just click on the link and that's it. It's very cheap. When I think I paid like, let's see, let's just go like 12-month plan probably. I don't really know. This looks a little different. Yeah, right, like you, I don't know what this means, but you could just do like, is it different if you go like this? 12 months. Oh yeah, so you just need the 12-month plan, and you just get this basic one, right? You don't have to read any of this garbage that they try to sell you on. Just a really basic one. So what is that? 12 times 3, that's like $36. You're gonna be paying less than $50 for a website for 12 months. You probably have to buy the domain too. Right, you gotta make a name for your product too, right? Because I think you hit choose plan, and then you gotta buy a domain too, which is like nothing. It's like $12 for the first year, and then yeah, like see, it's not even that much. And then you have to get oh look, you get the domain name for free, right? But that's when you're ready, right? If your product's protected, make it public, saying I have this great product. You can't take it from me. If you want it, you gotta buy it. Right? So yeah, that's what I recommend. All right, what do we have here? Oh, right, we have to do this too. So we have to make here. Let's move this up. Okay, great. And then we also, sweet. That's done.
Jan Fletcher said, "Thank you for this conversation. Really."
Yeah, I'm glad. I mean, this is why I stream, right? Like, I mean, I do it to get work done. I mean, I just worked for 10 hours, gosh, 12 hours. I really do this to grow a community, to answer questions, learn about other people's businesses, right? Because the more I talk about it, the better I get at talking. The more I understand different things. You're always welcome to hop on here to ask more questions throughout your journey. Especially this website thing, right? Like, it's pretty easy once you get used to it, but there's some things you gotta learn, right? There's a lot of, I have a lot of pages here. There's like this SEO thing. There's a lot of people that tell you one thing about SEO, but it's really not as complicated as people make it seem like. But yeah, anytime, man. I enjoy this. This is what I do. This is what I enjoy to do. Okay, right. So I gotta go to my case studies here. Let's go to add my business. Yeah, anytime though. It's great. I love talking about business. That's actually why I do this. Even if no one's watching the stream, I just talk to myself because I just love it so much. Yeah, I just do. Okay, so we were gonna edit this. So, oh, can I not? Yeah, I can make this a link. All right, so we have to go to LinkedIn. Am I not logged in? I should be. Okay. All right, we don't want to open up the message tab. Let's not expose that. Not that it matters, but. And what's her name? Catherine Hardwick. Catherine Hardwick. There we go. So what I'm doing now, I'm linking. Oh, she works at the Florida Aquarium now. Oh, that's awesome. Oh wow. Oh, Vice President of Marketing and Communications.
I watched some streams for curiosity. It's great. I have to go since it's very late here in Europe.
Oh, you're in Europe. That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah. The streams are all on YouTube. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. What's unique about? Oh, am I talking too loud? Oh, what's unique about what I'm doing is that yeah, I'm just streaming the journey, right? And it was hard to find others on Twitch that are doing the same. Yeah, I'm really just trying to build a community of people who are just working on their business, want to learn about business and stuff like that. So yeah, this is so cool. I didn't know she's working there. That's awesome. Vice President of Marketing and Communications. That's so cool. I love that. What a great lady. Alright, is that like... Yeah, you should be able to click on her profile, and then it opens up her LinkedIn. Sweet. Now... Excuse me. Okay, hold on. Business partners. Yep, there we go. It is. Yeah, so I want it to be clickable, right? So if people are interested in learning like who this is, right? It's not just some random lady. Because like, it kind of looks like, it almost looks like AI, right? Just because like everyone thinks like, oh, is this AI, right? So like then you can actually see who this is. It's a great picture too. Damn, I'm gonna save that picture. I'm gonna steal that. That's a really great picture. So I have a thing where every time I drive by like the skyline of downtown Tampa, it's actually like right over here. It's a little cut off, but like I take a picture of the skyline because it just looks so nice and I just like it a lot. Did I already do this? I'm probably doing this twice. Save. Team. I have to link all that too. Alright, discover. Alright, we have to find. Grow my business. Finding all the places that she's here. Yeah, thanks for joining though, Jan. That's cool. Yeah, in Europe, that's awesome. I wonder what time it is there. If I can guess what time it is, I think it's probably 6 hours ahead. If I'm not mistaken, I could be very mistaken, but I think it's something like that. Because I'm comparing it because I went to Greece for a study abroad, and it was 6 hours ahead, and that was in the same, I think the same type of area. So yeah, it must be later there. Okay, what am I doing right now? I need to find out if there's any... I think that's good. I think there's no other place. And I think I want to go to the team section. I also want to link things here. Like, I can link my LinkedIn here. Whoops. Actually, we have a link for that.
Jan Fletcher said, "It's 2 a.m. LOL.
Yeah, it's 2 a.m.
Today, I have to wake up at 9
Dang.
a.m.
Oh, I wish the timing was better for you for the stream, but that's okay. At least you could watch like the previous ones. Also, on the weekends I stream earlier in the day. Yeah, 2 a.m. So what? It's 8 now. So it's 4 hours ahead. Nope. 6 hours ahead, right? Yeah, there you go. 6 hours ahead. Look at that. I was right. Yeah, but like, yeah, during the weekends I stream a little bit earlier. 2 a.m. You have to wake up early. What do you have to wake up for? Okay, team. I think that there's only one spot that the team is shown. I think we could also go to founder story. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Yeah, because I'm getting this here. I wonder if there's a way to turn up... I want to turn up this volume. It's a very basic... very, basic website, but anyway. Okay, yeah, so team. I think what we could do... Yeah, we could link all this, honestly. I wouldn't mind doing that. Whew. Right, Spencer. Spencer's cooking on LinkedIn. See, this is what you want. You want an investor to come in here and be like, "Dang, this guy's got 10,000 followers. Like, he's the real deal, right?" He actually has like almost 1,000 more followers than I do. But like, that's all like, that's business. Like you really want yeah, you really want to not just sell your business, but yourself. Because that's how we get a lot of businesses. It's not because of the product or the service, right? The people at them all the time, businesses are getting like talked to sell something or something like that. But it's because it's who you are as a person. Okay, great. Shri Goyal. Now I can link all these. I don't know if I will. I guess I could, right? I don't think we're gonna link all of them. That's probably fine. Alright, let's update the website and we're done with that. Alright. Just doing some housekeeping things right now. I don't know if we'll edit the video today, but we'll find out. Yeah, I have to edit this offline stream pic too. Yeah, I wish you could see what the offline stream pic is. Hold on, let me go. Oh, look at that. This is there we go. Whoops. Yeah, this is fine. Whoops. Oh, right, we could change these links now. Because, like, I want them to, follow. Oh wait, that's gonna be, yeah. This we. I don't know if this is what we want, but we're gonna find out. I don't like how it does that. It shouldn't be redirecting you like that. Oh, maybe because there's... Yeah, that's weird. There we go. You know, I'm curious, Ian, how did you originally find me? Was it just discovering on the main page? Alright, so that's updating. Now, what does that look like? Follow along as we build. Oh, it should be build. You know, if we put dark mode, I always get asked to put dark mode on. Whoops. Welcome in, everyone. We're just doing some housekeeping right now. We're answering some great questions and just doing some housekeeping. What was I doing? Oh yeah, stream, no, channel. Yeah, I'm editing some links. I found, follow along as we build 9 apps. There we go. And then the socials are below. So now, right, it looks a little bit better. Because, like, there really is no one right socials link, right? Because it's all... Dang, that should not be looking like that. Oh, wait, did we update this yet? Alright, hold on. There we go. It should all be looking good now. There we go. Look at that. That looks good. That looks really good. Follow along as we build 9 apps. Schedule, co-stream, watch all previous streams. Need a website? Let's connect. Sweet. We're looking really good here. Alright, so I think that's good. I think we're done with the website. We could pin this. What do we got here? Oh, yeah, the offline pick. Right, okay. We were going to figure out where that is. Hope everyone's doing good. It was a pretty great day today. It's you know what? It's productive. And I get really tired at the end of the day. But then I come on here and boom, the energy is back. I get excited for this. Alright, social links. Alright, we got that. But I want to update, like, the picture. I don't even know what any of this is, but there should be, like, a customization. Maybe I'm not in the right area. Content monetization. I don't even know. Honestly, maybe it's in the channel spot, right? Oh, wait, you know what we should do? We should change this. We should say... Well, I guess we're almost done with the, we're almost done with this, but... let's see. Building 9 apps live. Oh, we gotta mute this. Not pin, mute. I don't even know what a good name is. Well, I guess we are gonna be doing video editing and... website... maintenance, right? I guess so, right? Maintenance. Okay, we'll just do that for now. Whoops. Okay. Sweet. Alright, here, we don't need this anymore. So I think we're good with that. What else we got? This should be dark mode too. But that's okay. I don't know how to edit this. We'll do that later. Edio vid it for website. Yeah, it might be time to do that. Yeah, because that's a big thing. We are actually making really good progress with that, though. Right. Let's see. I had some other things on my to-do list too here. Need widget for the socials. Done. Done. Oh, right. Oh, you know what? We have to post on YouTube too. We got our video for today. You can go check out our video that we made today. Yeah, we have this. So I forgot what we had to do with this. We had... Oh, right. We were going to edit these, and then we were going to talk about stories. Because we need to make a few different types of stories. That's right. I was getting tired yesterday, because this was a lot. We did like 2 hours straight on the video editing. So we have to open up Canva. We have to open up Canva. We also have to upload videos for... Whoops. Right, this is where all of our previous streams are. Oh, we had to make some thumbnails, though. I didn't make any thumbnails. Uh-oh. It got late today. I was going to make some thumbnails. Alright, let's make a quick thumbnail. Alright. If you haven't seen our method, this is our thumbnail method for now, until we come up with something else. What else we got? Where am I looking for? There we go. Okay, and then I think we already named last. This is stream 10, stream 9. All right. Video editing and setup. Video editing and video editing. I feel like we gotta change it up. Did we really do video editing last time? I guess so. Yeah, because I guess I put everything together. I don't even remember. But see, this is why I keep it like this. And I know I need to get Notion still, but... video editing... Website video editing. Let's just do that. Because that's really what we did. I know, like, we already, well, we probably have to upload this, too. I don't even know what we have in the bank here. Let's see what we got. Is there anything that needs to be posted? No. So we have to go to Twitch. Because we have our 4 hour... Oh, wow. We have a couple we gotta do. 4 hours. The one before that was what? Was 312. So 4 hours. Wait, no. Damn, are we behind? We have 2, 2, 1, 312, 411. What did I just say? 2, 1, 312, 411, 430. There we go. 430. Alright, so it's just these two. I guess, wow, we have 2 we have to do? Twitch Creator Camp Part 2? We didn't post that? No, we did. So maybe I gotta come up with a better way of organizing this. 411... 411, 430, so it's just these two then. No, something doesn't seem right. Well, here, we can get this one ready to download. Yeah, look, we didn't download this other one, I don't think. So why is this one called Creator Camp Part 2? Well, maybe there's a way I can extend this even more. An Eventbrite setup.
Said, oh no, the freaky music.
Is it freaky music right now? That's so funny. Everything looks weird. I messed up something on my screen. Oh wait, there we go. Freaky music again. That's funny. We're trying to figure out what videos I need to upload here. I feel like we have a disconnect here. Let's put these right next to each other. Right? We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 videos, okay? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there are 2 that we have to do. I think we have to disregard the titles because I forget to I forget the I forget to edit the titles. Yeah, because if the last one was 411, 430, then we have to post 141 and 221. And when I say that, I mean like the how long it is. So we're gonna let those download. We'll download both of them. We don't need our website anymore. We just did a lot of editing on that. What we have to do, oh yeah, we can get this going. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we have to edit the title on this one. What do we do? So this is going to be for stream 8 then. Video editing and setup. So you know, let's get the iMovie logo. Yeah, I had to like figure that out for a little bit. I didn't know what the heck was going on. This isn't too freaky music. I think this is pretty... That's funny. I do have to figure out some more like music though. You know, I kind of like though if... Because really the last stream was really video editing. Right? And then we say... iMovie video editing. Right, and then the one before could be like website edits.
Fiat said, making me dance while I'm eating dinner.
Good, I'm glad. Good to hear. What are you what are you having for dinner today? I don't know if my sound is too loud. I think I talk and it gets a little bit loud. You like my crazy thumbnails? I gotta make one more thumbnail before it gets too dark. Whoops. Welcome in, everyone. All right, here, let's make our thumbnail. If it's your first time joining us, we make thumbnails like this. Wait, hold on. We need a
chicken salads.
Grilled chicken salad. Nice. How's that for a thumbnail? Thumbnails are usually really goofy, you know, honestly. I don't know if I like that. That's a thumbnail. Let's get some different... Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. Okay. Let's go back to... we should be able to go like this, and you could see me again.
BI said, from BBQ.
Okay, there we go. From what? From chicken salads from the barbecue? Or are they just barbecue flavored? It's chicken salads. Okay, let's move that back over. And...
VI said, on barbecue flame goodness.
Nice. Sounds pretty good. We had leftovers today. You know, these thumbnails still crack me up. It's just like, that's just how YouTube culture is. Like, it's just random pictures of your faces, because like, there's only so much you could do. Okay, let's... I guess that's okay for now. Okay, website edit. So that's like Hostinger, which is this. I don't know what we'll do yet for that. Are these ready to download? Download ready. All right, let's download the first one. Let's not get too... Oh wait, you know what? It's already downloading. Okay, great. I don't know if I like how it automatically downloads, but that's okay. Okay, and it's starting to download the second one. Okay, great. Yeah, we definitely have to organize this a little bit more. Stretch a little bit, take some water. How's our background looking? I feel like this is a little off. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Maybe. I feel like I move this all the time, but that's okay.
EI said, so what's this stream all about? I'm new here.
You're new here? I think you were here yesterday. Well, we just worked on the website. We did like some upkeep on the website. I had to change some things. Change this thing around. I was actually just talking to Yan. He has his own startup in Europe, and he was asking a bunch of questions. So we did that. And I know I have to upload some things on YouTube, and then we have to finish the video from yesterday. That's what I could do right now. So we need to. We have to finish that. Yeah, right, because we're going to do story posts. What we need to do is get another one going. So let's go. Let's do. Who is this? This was New York Pizza. Let's get someone else. Honestly, Mel's Hot Dogs might be a good idea. Get this deal on 9yaps. See our latest. That's really small, isn't it? I think.
Green said, did you get the blurry working on that pic?
So, sort of. So, actually, we're on it right now. This is exactly what we're going to make it look like. It's where the video still plays in the background, but then it shows the image that we want it to show. And I'm just creating another one of those images right now. But yeah, we did. Pretty much. I mean, like, we pivoted, right? We were like, okay, I can't do this specifically, but we could do this instead. Pretty much.
Green said, as I was typing I saw it. LOL, it looks good.
Yeah, I think it looks good too. Oh, you know, I think we did this in a certain way though. Oh, right, because we had to go here. Whoops. Whoops. Ah! Oh man, I really messed that up, didn't I? Okay. Did it download what you wanted to download? I don't even know. But what I do know is that we could upload... Dang, so that was posted yesterday. So yeah, we need this one out for today. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Right now, at least. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, this is definitely a shorter stream. We're already at 1 hour and 18 minutes. That's crazy. Alright, so that's going to upload. We're going to let that load. I think. No, we're going to put a title on this. So this was stream 8. You know what? Let's go like this. So video editing and Twitch schedule. Video editing and Twitch schedule created. Sure. Now we changed how we do this. Can you make a short YouTube I was just looking real quick. I just want to check this out. Am I not filling up the camera enough? I might not be. I might be too far away from the camera. Is that too short now of a description? Maybe not. Oh, we gotta do hashtags. Yeah, I feel like this is how it's supposed to be, but I'm kind of leaning back. You know what I could do? I can move my... Scooch it a little bit. I think that's okay. So this one's pretty simple. Oh, wow. Oh, no, let's do the topics covered. Yep, so we like this, and then we need the in-between. There we go, I like this a lot. Okay, there we go. Dang, so we created that Eventbrite a long time ago? That's time just flies by. Okay, so let's make this one.
Portalofty said, I view your stream who come.
Uh-oh, we got a bot trying to do free advertising. It's so funny how those show up. Okay, anyway, let's do video editing. What if I just do like iMovie? Whoops. There we go. Change it up a little bit. Okay, and this is our... Oh wait, we need a stream schedule, so... How do I want to do this? Website edits. Let's see. You know, what if I just look up schedule? Right, because that's what we kind of work on too. You know, I really liked... I like that emoji. That's okay. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. That should be fine. I'm sure we'll upgrade the thumbnails every so often. Okay. We got the title. We got the description. We need the thumbnail. And we need to put it on this one. And it's not made for kids. And now... Oh my. Oh, I forgot you could do this. You could like put like it seems like it's gonna take time to load. I don't know if we want to do this, but it shows like another one of your videos at the end. I don't think we have to do this today. We could also always do it afterwards too. Alright, let's just hit next for now. Alright, it's still doing the copyright check, so we're gonna let that just sit for a little bit. Let's go back to Canva and continue doing this. Whoops. Because we want to show off some like story ideas. You know, we should change this to Home Designs 26. Trying to get organized with Canva here. You know, I think you could hear a little bit. Yeah, a little bit of the background. Whoops. Hello? Hey, do you think you could turn that down just a little bit? Huh? Is that okay, or is it already low enough, or is it already too low? Yeah, a little bit. Try. If not, I'll give you the headphones. Oh, and I gotta order some headphones. All right, sounds good. Bye. Sounds good. Bye. Bye. Okay, sounds good. All right. Anyway, let's see. How did I do this other one? Oh, it was white text. Okay. Whoops. So basically what we're doing, we're showing businesses different examples that they could do of story posts. All right. There we go. Now it's correct. How's the music? Is it like perfect volume? Is it too loud compared to my voice? It might be. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go give Kaylee her headphones. Be right back.
Fiat said, "Little Big Loud should just be background sound."
Okay, you said a little bit loud. Should be just a background sound. Yeah, I wasn't sure. There you go. It's a little bit lower now. It should be good. All right, we got AirPods now. Ooh, I need a charger for that. Yeah, let me know now. It should be better. And then we got AirPods, so I could edit the video, and then you all can't hear it.
Fiat said, "Yeah, good."
Sounds good. Yeah, I turned it down a little bit. I could do it more. See, the problem was, I think I'm still talking a little bit too loud, and it was overpowering the music before. Okay. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Now those are charging. Okay, great. So now we'll have that. Oh, we lost music? Oh, now it's connected to the headphones. What? There we go. That's so funny. This whole Bluetooth thing is so weird. Now, where's my music? There we go. Yeah, it seems like there might be still a little... Yeah, we're still learning. Alright, yeah, that should be good. Great. Alright, so did we download this yet? No, we did not. Yeah, still trying to figure out what's good. You know, I could probably do... Whoops. Whoops. Oh my. I'm getting all tangled up here. We're gonna figure this out. Okay. This blanket got like caught right inside the wheel. It's pretty interesting. Okay. How's the music now? Yeah, music and me should be good. Alright, anyway, let's finally download this. And then once these AirPods charge, we will... I know, figuring it out, right? It's so funny. Okay, there we go. Now what we could do. Okay. That's so funny. Okay, now I think what we'll do is we'll actually just put this in the same scene. We don't have to go too crazy with this. You know, I forgot you could just go like this.
Someone else joined room.
Someone else joined the room? Yeah, I know, we got a lot of people in here. We're doing pretty good here. We're getting this video editing done. Yeah, I can't see everyone that's on. I don't know if there's a way I can, but that's alright. Alright, so we got this video. Now we need to download it, because I think that's good, right? We have two different types. Let's download this as a video with the highest quality. And then I think my other YouTube video downloaded too. So let's... Seems like it's still checking. So that's going to take some time. But we can get the video so we don't lose it. Let's just throw that over here so we have it. Oh, what do we have? Is there anything we can clean up here? We can get rid of that thumbnail. This goes over here. This is already done. We can delete that. Okay, great. Alright, so that's still going. We have to download this, which we already did, and then we're going to replace the one that we have here. Okay, I think that's good, right? We don't have to show... Oh, wow, that's still downloading. Okay, great. I think I might have to connect these AirPods. Let's figure out how to do that.
AI said, you should be able to see everyone. Must be a way.
No, I don't think so, because people who have live streams with, like... Wait, hold on. People who have live streams with like thousands of people won't be able to see everybody that's watching them. Okay, hold on, let's... Oh my, it keeps jumping around. Okay, I gotta take him out of this case. I'm not used to this case here. Let's do that real quick. We're troubleshooting here. Okay, let's go like that. I haven't used AirPods in such a long time. I don't even know. It's been years since I put an AirPod in my ear. Okay, stop trying to connect to the iPads. Let's reset them. Because it keeps wanting to do that. Okay. Let's see if we can connect to them on here. Okay. Stop trying to connect. Stop trying to connect. Nope. Get out of here. So I should be able... Here we go. There we go. Nope. Stop trying to connect. It's so funny, this AirPods thing. Sure. Oh my. Okay, great. There we go. Okay, oh my gosh, it keeps giving me all these notifications. Pause media when I fall asleep? Get out of here. Okay. How is the sound? Everything should be good? It sounds so weird having AirPods in. Just like the headphones yesterday. So, sound should still be coming from here. Sound, yeah. Whew. Sound is still coming. Alright, so we should be good. Except for the sound is in my ears. So that... There we go. So that... Oh, wow. You know, I think we're just going to do that. Okay, great. So, we should be good. All right. Anyway, let's pause the music. And here we go. after struggling with that, we should be good. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's add this here. And we're gonna do the same thing we did before. So the guy was making the burrito. Here, let's zoom in a little bit. Let's delete this one. So the guy was placing the burrito, and then we want to place the burrito. Right, so it should be. You should be able to see everyone must be a bite now. I already read that. Awesome. Oh, I hear Kaylee. I'm like, what is that sound coming from? It's Kaylee. Oh, I have to turn this up now so you could hear her.
Story even once a week could remind customers that your deal is available. Once a week could remind customers that your deal is available. It does not have to be complicated. Just a quick.
Okay, let's here, let's go here.
Story
You know, here, let's watch the whole thing for people who haven't seen the whole thing yet.
Hey, thank you for choosing 9yaps. We're here to help you every step of the way. Our goal is for you to attract customers and keep them coming back. Here are 3 easy ways to get more customers using 9yaps. The first way is to keep your 9yaps QR code stand somewhere customers can easily see it, especially at checkout. This is one of the easiest ways to get more people to download 9yaps and use your deal. More customers on 9yaps helps create more opportunities for your business. For us, it's not about simply having more users on the app. It's about helping more people discover your deal, visit your business, come back again, and even share it with a friend. The stronger the 9yaps community becomes, the more your business can benefit from it. So make sure your QR code stand is easy to see, clean, and placed somewhere customers naturally look while ordering or paying. The second way is through employee mentions. Your team does not have to give a long explanation. Even a quick sentence at the right moment can make a big difference, especially when a customer is ordering, paying, asking about specials, or waiting for their order. For example, an employee can say, "By the way, we showcase our deals and specials on 9yaps if you want to check it out." Or, "You can save on your next visit with 9yaps." It does not have to feel like a sales pitch. A simple, natural mention is enough to make customers aware of your deal. This works because customers are much more likely to scan, download, or use the deal when someone points it out. The more your team mentions 9yaps, the more customers will know about your offer. The third.
Okay. That should be good. I moved the microphone a little bit. I think it will pick up some background noise. How are we looking? Yeah, that should be good. We'll just leave it like that. Okay. So what we really need to fixate on is this part here.
This can be done in a few simple ways. First, your business can collaborate with 9yaps on social media posts. This helps both audiences see the deal and gives your offer more reach. Reach out to our team to schedule your next collaboration.
Here we go.
Second, posting a story even once a week can remind customers that your deal is available. It does not have to be complicated. Just a quick story saying something like, "Find our deal on 9yaps," or "Save with us today on 9yaps." If you'd like to create a free story post designed for your business, just reach out to our team and we'd be happy to put one together for you. And third.
Okay, so I like that. So he puts the beans on, and then he moves. I actually kind of like this clip a lot. So we'll go like this. We can delete this, and we can move this over. Okay, so basically it ends.
If you'd like to create a free story post designed for your business,
Cats are being bad.
Just reach out to our team and we'd be happy to put one together for you.
And then let's get this going again. So I like this transition. Let's cross blur. 0.5 seconds. Apply. Okay, great. So what's the last one?
Just reach out to our team and we'd be happy to put one together for you. And third, add 9yaps to your website. If someone is already looking up your business online, your website is a great place to show them that they can find your deal on 9yaps. This makes it much easier for customers to discover the offer before they even visit.
Okay, honestly, I almost like this because like he puts the beans on. I mean, he doesn't have beans on there, but okay, let's see if we can find something else though. The cat's being bad. I think Pad Thai's trying to steal food. Okay, let's delete this because we don't need that. Whoops. Okay. We're actually almost at the nearest stretch. We don't even need this. I do have to replace these two though. So, alright. So, building the burrito, and then this is kind of repetitive, so let's get something new in there. And I think this is for the end. Okay. Right, so now building the burrito. Ooh, I like how it zooms in.
Yaps to your website. And third, add 9 yaps to your website. If someone is already looking up your business online, your website is a great place to show them that they can find your deal on 9 yaps.
Alright, and then we'll change the clip. We'll delete that for now. So, we kind of need something else here. What are they doing? I don't know what's going on over there. Some cat's not being good. Let me move this sound up a little bit. Push this a little bit away from me, and I think that should be a lot better. Okay. We can even reuse some of this stuff too. So we have the burrito making. We have that. We have this. You know, we could add, oh, we do have that. And then burrito making. See, I have to go out and get some more clips. And then, honestly, we could, we don't need this. We definitely don't need that clip. Here, let's see if we have any more clips to use. I feel like we need something else. What's this one? Ooh, that's a little loud. Okay, so we already have that. We already have this. Let's see. Yeah, we're actually really skim on clips right now. Wow, that's it? Let's see. So I think we actually will have to have him creating the burrito. Yeah, you know, what if we just do that? What if we just throw that in there like this? Put this together, and look at this. It almost brings it right to the end, even though we already... Alright, let's just see how it looks.
For you. And third, add 9 yaps to your website. If someone is already looking up your business online, your website is a great place to show them that they can find your deal on 9 yaps. This makes it much easier for customers to discover the offer before they even visit. So to quickly recap, the 3 best ways to get more customers using 9 yaps are: keep your QR code stand visible at checkout.
Oh, there we go. Okay, hold on.
Customers using 9 yaps are:
Right, because we're recapping everything, so we could actually reuse content here. So let's get a good QR code stand. There we go. Yep, good idea. What is this?
code stand somewhere customers can easily
Sweet. Oh no! Okay, we just want this. Okay, there we go. So the 3 things are...
more customers using 9 yaps are: keep your QR code stand visible at checkout. Have employees naturally mention 9
Have employees naturally mention my 9 yaps. I really love this clip. This is one of my favorite clips.
mention 9 yaps and promote your deal online through social media.
Let's go like this. Zoom in a little bit more.
Using 9 yaps are: keep your QR code stand visible at checkout. Have employees keep your QR code stand visible at checkout. Visible at checkout. Have employees naturally mention 9 yaps and promote your deal online through social media and
So he puts cheese on. Hold on, something's not right here.
stand visible at checkout. Have employees naturally mention 9 yaps and promote your deal online through social media and your website.
You know, what if we... Yeah, okay, that's
Your
fine.
online website. But more than anything, remember that Nine Yaps is not just another place to list your deal. It is a local brand and community built around helping people discover businesses just like yours. The more your customers see, hear about, and engage with Nine Yaps, the more familiar it becomes and the more connected they'll feel to the community. If you have any questions or need help with anything we covered, feel free to reach out anytime. We're always happy to help. Thanks for being a Nine Yaps.
Okay, we're close, we're close, we're close. So, we need to... What if we just highlighted this again? So, like right there, maybe. And then what if we cut it right there?
Remember that Nine Yaps is not just another place to list your deal. It is a local brand and community built around helping people discover businesses just like yours. The more your customers see, hear about, and engage with Nine Yaps, the more familiar it becomes and the more connected they'll feel to the community. If you have any questions or need help with anything we covered, feel free to reach out anytime. We're always happy.
Yeah, we need one more clip though. What if we get that shawarma? Honestly, that was good. It's only 3 seconds, but there. Ooh, we're close. All right, we don't need this. We because it's kind of a long. That's okay. How long is this? Ooh, it's like 25 seconds. No, I think that's too much. Too much. Too much. Um, Maybe we can get the chips. Do we add the chips in here? Yeah, let's get the chips in here again. That's 4 seconds that we can get. Now, obviously, we could always do this again. Okay, there we go. We have to trim something else down now. What if I just trim? Oh no. Oh no. Alright, we're close. Very, very close here. Let's watch it from here.
Naturally mention Nine Yaps and promote your deal online through social media and your website. But more than anything, remember that
More than anything. Put that like that.
and promote your deal online through social media and your website. But more than anything, remember that Nine Yaps is not just another place to list your deal. It is a local brand and community built around helping people discover businesses just like yours. The more your customers see, hear about, and engage with Nine Yaps, the more familiar it becomes and the more connected they'll feel to the community. If you have any questions or need help with anything we covered, feel free to reach out anytime.
We just need a little transition here and a transition out. This could be 0.5, 0.5, and then let's shorten. Something's not right. Now it's too long. Okay, let's just watch it.
But more than anything, remember that Nine Yaps is not just another place to list your deal. It is a local brand and community built around helping people discover businesses just like yours. The more your customers see, hear about, and engage with Nine Yaps, the more familiar it becomes and the more connected they'll feel to the community. If you have any questions or need help with anything we covered, feel free to reach out anytime. We're always happy to help. Thanks for being a Nine Yaps partner. We're excited to grow with you, help bring more local customers your
Okay, hold on. We're almost done. So let's shorten this burrito making just a little bit. Dang, we still really have a lot to trim down here. No, maybe I'm trimming down too much now. Whoops. Oh, that's right. I'm trimming too much. That's what I'm getting wrong. Okay. Ah, streaming too much. Cause, yep.
Feel free to reach out anytime. We're always happy to help. Thanks for being a 9yaps partner.
Okay, let's switch these.
If you have any questions or need help with any
This is where we concentrate here. What is
again
this now?
and again.
Whoops. No. All right, we could almost watch the whole thing in full, though. Let's go back here. Let's go here. I think we cut off a little. There we go. All right, ready to watch it all in full? I think we're good.
If you have any questions or need help with anything we
All right, I'm gonna watch it from the beginning again.
covered. Hey, thank you for choosing 9yaps. We're here to help you every step of the way. Our goal is for you to attract customers and keep them coming back. Here are 3 easy ways to get more customers using 9yaps. The first way is to keep your 9yaps QR code stand somewhere customers can easily see it, especially at checkout. This is one of the easiest ways to get more people to download 9yaps and use your deal. More customers on 9yaps helps create more opportunities for your business. For us, it's not about simply having more users on the app. It's about helping more people discover your deal, visit your business, come back again, and even share it with a friend. The stronger the 9yaps community becomes, the more your business can benefit from it. So make sure your QR code stand is easy.
Hold on, real quick. So
Business can benefit from it. Business can benefit. Your business can benefit
she's a little loud here.
from it.
We're just gonna lower this just a little bit.
Can benefit from it. Can benefit. This can benefit from it. Your business can benefit.
Just seems to be like a little bit.
More your business can benefit from it. So make sure your QR code stand is easy to see, clean, and placed somewhere customers naturally look while ordering or paying. The second way is through employee mentions. Your team does not have to give a long explanation. Even a quick sentence at the right moment can make a big difference, especially when a customer is ordering, paying, asking about specials, or waiting for their order. For example, an employee can say, "By the way, we showcase our deals and specials on 9yaps if you want to check it out." Or, "You can save on your next visit with 9yaps." It does not have to feel like a sales pitch. A simple, natural mention is enough to make customers aware of your deal. This works because customers are much more likely to scan, download, or use the deal when someone points it out. The more your team mentions 9yaps, the more customers will know about your offer. The third way is promoting your 9yaps deal online. This can be done in a few simple ways. First, your business can collaborate with 9yaps on social media posts. This helps both audiences see the deal and gives your offer more reach. Reach out to our team to schedule your next collaboration. Second, posting a story even once a week can remind customers that your deal is available. It does not have to be complicated. Just a quick story saying something like, "Find our deal on 9yaps," or "Save with us today on 9yaps." If you'd like to create a free story post designed for your business, just reach out to our team and we'd be happy to put one together for you. And third, add 9yaps to your website. If someone is already looking up your business online, your website is a great place to show them that they can find your deal on 9yaps. This makes it much easier for customers to discover the offer before they even visit. So to quickly recap, the 3 best ways to get more customers using 9yaps are: keep your QR code stand visible at checkout, have employees naturally mention 9yaps, and promote your deal online through social media and your website. But more than anything, remember that 9yaps is not just another place to list your deal. It is a local brand and community built around helping people discover businesses just like yours. The more your customers see, hear about, and engage with 9yaps, the more familiar it becomes and the more connected they'll feel to the community. If you have any questions or need help with anything we covered, Feel free to reach out anytime. We're always happy to help. Thanks for being a 9yaps partner. We're excited to grow with you, help bring more local customers your way, and keep giving them reasons to come back again and again.
Perfect. So we're not going to, let's shrink this a little bit. So we're not going to edit this too much more. Let me fix the sound. Let me take off the AirPods. Okay. So how is that? All right, sound should be good. Hello, hello. So, all right, sound should be good. So I'm not gonna go crazy and keep watching it because I'll probably watch it like another 6 times before like it's fully done. So what we'll do, actually this could be trimmed too, because what I have to do a few different things. So here, like you hear some plates in the background I have to fix, and then I have to edit these a little bit because we haven't done that yet. So I gotta do that. Let's check on our YouTube videos though first. Okay, no copyright. Next. Public. We're gonna schedule it for, what's today? Wednesday? We could just probably post it now, honestly. I don't really need to do it doesn't really matter too much. So website edits. Great. Let's publish it. And then let's get that next one. Let's get that next one going right away. Perfect. Create, upload. Let's upload this one. Because yeah, this must be Monday and Tuesday stream, which makes more sense. Alright, and then I think my sound is good too. Am I a little too loud? Am I good? Yeah, I think we're good. Alright, so this one. This is the last stream. Building 9yaps. Video. Website video editing. Yeah, I guess we're just doing a lot of video editing. Maybe we could do like a part 2. 9yaps, building 9yaps live. Website video editing part 2. Video editing. Yeah, okay, there you go. That's good. You know, I'll probably keep it somewhere in my notes. Like this copy, so it's easy. So business, we're gonna do iMovie. And then we should be able to get a nice description. Yes. Whoops. Alright. Let's move my camera back in the corner. Yeah, I don't like how this did that, but it should be fine. Okay. Whoops. Okay, great. As rebuild. That's good. Alright, let me, okay, that's good. Yeah, I think we have to edit the other one, but that's okay. As we. I like putting we. I always say we. I say we for everything. Okay, and then that is so bright. And then we have to go here. Man, that's so bright. And then iMovie video editing. This looks good. Alright, how's everyone doing? We doing good? Is my sound too loud? Hello? There you go. Okay. Sweet. Alright, let's do this thumbnail. And upload it. I think this is coming out really well. We're really cranking these out every day. It's crazy. Let's put it here. Let's go no. And then That's going to take some time. And then let's go back here real quick. Now there should be a comment section here. Okay, we're good. Sweet. Hey, we got someone commenting. Look at that. Wait, hold on. We gotta go to this. Love the background music. Thank you. Thank you. It's a free spa. Well, it's a copyright free playlists on Spotify. Sweet, who is this? I don't know who this is. Oh, look at this. Nice. Yeah, so we are getting discovered. That's pretty cool. I like that. Do we have any more notifications like that? No. But that's okay. Sweet, man. 9 subscribers? Heck yeah. Thanks for the subs. Let's see. Alright, so that's done. We're just waiting for this to upload. Can we check anything off our list? Edit video for website. So that's pretty much done. I'm going to finish that off stream because it's going to take... I'm going to probably watch it like 3 times. Well, we're doing pretty good. Is that pad thai? I think she has the headphones on. Cats are not being good today. Oh, we have to figure out how to get a timer on stream too. Okay. How are we doing on that? That's going to still upload. Right, so we're done with this for today. We're done with those for today. We're just going to edit these. And we only need this one. Wait. Yeah, we don't need this one. So right now they're like 38. Let's make them like 50. How's that going to look? Whoops. Ha! I did it again. Whoops. Okay. I think actually we'll go like this.
A little bigger might be good.
Yeah, I think yeah, a little bit bigger. Yeah, because right now it's like this size, and I just increased it by like 25%. So that should be good.
Old PPLIs.
Yeah, I know. That's funny. So yeah, that should be good. And then what we'll do here is we'll just put like just in like 30. We'll put like our website. Old people eyes, that's funny. There you go. Okay, I think now we just want the Instagram logo. Let's do Instagram and Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. I don't know if there's a way we could do this easily, but... Or to make it look nice, but we'll see. Oh no, my arrow. No! Okay. Might not even need it. Yeah, honestly, maybe we'll just go like this. We'll just put the Instagram and Facebook one because that's the ones you can collaborate on. I don't know if you even need this, but I don't know. Oh, you know, maybe I'll just throw them in the corner. That's a good idea. There we go. Just so that they kind of know like what we're talking about.
Like both Instagram pages.
Oh, yeah, both Instagram pages on each of our Instagram pages. I guess we could say get your business featured on each. Get your business featured on. Yeah, that's a good point. Each of our Instagram pages. Yeah, let's see if ChatGPT can make that sound better. Get your business features across. No, that's fine.
VI said, thought you meant Facebook and Instagram.
It is Facebook and Instagram too. But a collaboration in terms of like being on like 9yaps and then like the burrito place, right? Or something like that. Get your business featured on each of our Instagram pages. On... I don't know. No, this is...
Maybe each of our social media pages.
Maybe. Yeah, that's why I put each of ours. So maybe so... This is talking about collabs on Instagram. Let's see, maybe there's a better way to put it. Get your business featured on... I don't know. No, what if we just change it like this? Collaborate with us on Instagram to showcase your business. Let's just... Because like each of our pages, I don't think that's necessary. Nah. Yeah, right. So it talks about collaborate. Yeah, collaborate with us on Instagram. I like that. We'll keep it as that. We can make this a little bit bigger. It's by itself. Yeah, that should be good. That's gonna be a lot bigger. All right, let's see. Let's plug it in. So, it's gonna take a while to download each one, but we'll start doing it now. So let's go to page 3. Let's download that. Check in on our social medias for today and see how we're doing. Let's see, somebody reposted us, pretty cool. Yeah, we're getting actually a lot of subscribers on YouTube, which is awesome. Love the support. Okay, cool. Oh wait, look, this is done. I should have been paying attention so we can load the next one. Okay, so that's number 3. That's okay. I'm gonna have to edit this now anyway. 4. Okay, so this is where the tricky part comes in. Ooh, I just made it a lot easier doing that. Okay, so it starts... Right, so... Oh, honestly, it might just be this. Let's move this. Clicks. And what does this one do? This might be the same thing. Ooh. It's not. Okay. There we go. There we go. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. How does that look? Yeah, that looks really good. Okay, good. Okay, that is the second one, and then we need page 5. That should be good. I never know if my sound is too good, not enough, because I think I talk at too many different tones, but it should be good as long as the background music doesn't overpower. Okay, number 2 is this one.
Theon said, okay, good job.
Thank you. No, I don't know if we did.
Theon said, I'm out.
Ah. We have to do it. Alright, I'll see ya. Thanks for joining. You know, we have to edit this completely because this one, we didn't make this clip. It's not going to be fun. Okay, so this is just... .8. Okay, we're doing good. Uh-oh. Okay. Now we just gotta do this one. We didn't do this one. So this one... Oof, jeez, this one's difficult. Let's see what happened here. Okay, it does. I think what happens is that it just pulls up this... 2.3. Ah! What do we do?
This helps both audiences see
Do we want to transition in here?
on social.
Is that too much?
Collaborate with 9yaps on social media posts. This helps both audiences see the
Yeah, it's too much. Let's just take it out.
This helps both audiences be done.
Whoops.
This can be done in a few simple ways. First, your business can collaborate with 9yaps on social media posts. This helps both audiences see the deal and get it from your reach. Reach out to your community to enjoy your next collaboration. Second, post the story every once a week to
Good. So now we just have to add music. I forgot where I found my music last time. I think I just did like some copyright free music. But I might do it on Spotify. So honestly, I don't think we're going to do anything else with this today. I think we did great because we're like mostly done. We edited these. We finished the ending. We made... oh no, we gotta do this one. We're virtually done though. What is this, 2.5? There you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So like we're gonna stop at this for now. We're gonna let it finish importing, and then that's it. I'll finish that. It'll be uploaded on the website next time we see each other, I think. Cause yeah, I'm gonna be checking that like a lot. I'm gonna be doing a lot with that. So, all right, this one is. So we actually named this one Part 2. Part 3. And then I think we'll just do some other small little things. How is this going? We don't need this anymore. Yep, and then we edited that. So let's see. Yep, we built stuff for the socials. Yeah, my photo actually isn't too small. Wow, it looks good though. Sweet. Okay, that's gonna go. This is all reset. Alright, let's have chat shown on screen. Yeah, we could do that. Oh yeah, we have to do this too. That's something we're gonna do probably this weekend. Yeah, these are some pretty big projects. What is it, 9 o'clock now? We can go for a little longer. Here, you know, we're gonna take a 5-minute break, and we'll be back. All right, we're back. Hello. Okay, let's pause that for now. So, okay, let's see what we've done. So today we made the widget, we added the website a little bit, we finished the video, we are actually uploading this video, and then there's a few things we could do. So I was going to blogs when it's uploaded. Yeah, we might have to wait for that. Yeah, we really do have to optimize the Discord. Let's go on Discord. Let's figure out what we're doing with that. So I actually joined a Discord too. So let's go. Let's pull up 2 tabs. How does this even look? So we got whoever Lionbot is, and I think who is this? Oh, we lost Lionbot, whatever that was. I think this is... Here, there's a guy on Twitch. I wonder if he's live right now. No, he's not. So there's a guy on Twitch that we're following. I think it's this guy. Oh yeah, we have ads now. It is this guy. So he has a Discord. Oh, maybe he doesn't have a Discord. Someone has a Discord. I completely forgot who and what it is. Oh, wait, here we go. Yeah, he does have a Discord. So, his... Accept invite? I think we've already done this one, though. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Alright, that is our Discord. I don't know whose this Discord this is, but... Okay, wow. So this is his Discord, okay? We have to figure out how to make our Discord look good. That's gonna be our next thing. So here, let's edit here. Let's go. Well, actually, no, wait, let's just copy it for now. Okay. Ending. Okay. So we have to learn how to use Discord. I think next is gonna be Notion too. We might honestly learn Notion right now too, but all right. So he has different hashtags: generic, of topic, coding. So let's just make things really simple. Let's go down these things: channels and roles. I think this is me. And you know what? We think it seems like we need a profile picture. We should have a profile picture. But anyway, all right, we have rules, content announcements. So can we make an announcements? Server boosts, events. Add a server. Oh, wow. Create channel. Okay, those are text channels. Text channels. Content announcements and rules. So let's see. This is all we're gonna do. This all self-taught here. So create event, create category, channel rules. Oh, can I move that up here? Yeah, look at that. So what is this? Invite to channel, news. Whoops. So these just might be categories. Whoops. What we really want is if anyone knows how to do this, let me know. Server settings, create channel, create category, create channel. No, we don't want to do that. So he has these like what if I create channel, create category, invite to server. Wait, we don't really need too much. App directory. What is that? No. This is so interesting. So, how do we make a news I think the last thing is going to be settings. Is this called 9yaps community? I bet it's called, no it's not. It's called 9yaps. What should we call it? What should our Discord community be called for 9yaps? Let's see if it comes up with some interesting ideas. We could just change. We could leave that for now. Alright, server tag, roles, access, bans. This is so interesting. Yeah, right. We should do that for now. You know, we could always add, I guess. Yeah, how do you add a rules? Open your server, click the server name in the top left. Select server settings. Okay. Go to community. Okay, hold on. So are we... So what was that? What? Alright, hold on. Go to your server. Then click the server name in the top left. Then go to server settings. Server settings. Go to community. Okay. Under overview, you'll see rules and guidelines. Why should people join? Well, that's pretty... Oh, look, here we go. This is done. Let's do public. Let's schedule it for tomorrow at... Honestly, did we already post a video today? We might have, but that's okay. We'll make it tomorrow at 2 p.m. Schedule. Yeah, we might have already posted something today. Oh, no. We're good. Good. Good! Every day, look, we're killing it. Thanks for all the support, really, that we've gotten so far. It's great. Look, we got a like on this one. We got a like on this one. It's pretty... Oh, wait. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Alright, anyway. Gosh, we gotta figure out how to make this. Dark, but anyway. Okay. Oh, enable community. Oh, well, there we go. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. This is interesting. Okay. So honestly, I think this is going to be called website video editing part 2 and Discord setup. Wow, this is interesting. Yeah, that's okay for now. Yeah, that should be fine. We can always change this, I'm sure, later. Do do do. Oh, okay, we're gonna do general. Stream. I think, alright, okay, hold on. So we have to actually see what this guy has. So he has, whoa, he has a lot. So business, we could leave business for now. Voice channels. Yeah, we could leave that like that for now. I'm sure we could add more. That's fine. Okay. This is so interesting. How's everyone doing? Okay. Alright. I feel like this is so small. Isn't this font seem so small? Members will be asked these questions before they join your server. You use them to assign channels and important roles. Pre-join questions will also be available. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we need that. Add at least one more channels to questions or default channels, or members will have a hard time finding them. Let's just skip that for now. Set up your server guide. Try making sure all your get started items are actionable. We've added read the rules task so you don't have to. Oh my. I think this is okay for now. Let's just leave that for now. This is on onboarding. Okay, looks good. Woo! Alright, that's good for now. Alright, that's good for now. I need a minute to process all that information. Okay. What else we got? Yeah, this guy's pretty cool. I was looking at, I was talking to this guy the other day. I think our channel is really starting to get optimized here. Whoops. Oh, I'm getting an ad right now? What's going on? Okay, let's just not look at that, I guess, for now. That was kind of funny. Okay, anyway. Okay, so... Alright, rules. Let's see what this guy's rules were. He said... Yup. Let's just keep it simple, right? Let's just use his for now. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you know what, can you make a simple rules for my Discord channel for 90apps? Yeah, this is good. Right, I don't really know what exactly. I'm sure I'm gonna have to add more, but there you go. Okay. Whoops, I'm getting that confused. All right. There we go. All right, well, we got rules set up. Look, we're making slow progress here. Okay. General. Business. Stream. Yay. Wait, what is this? Oh, we got a yo. Are these two different people? 6. Okay, so that's great. Yeah, we're not going to say anything right now because... I want to be connected to that right now. Okay, great. So now we can at least update, right, when... I'm kind of understanding this. Yeah, you don't always need a tutorial for things. But now we have this set up so we can just kind of add stuff here. Oh, you know what? We could put streaming schedule. I like that. Does he have something else like that? He has content announcements. How do I make like an announcements page? Yeah, okay. Choose text. Name it something like announcements. Announcements. Click create. Right click it. Edit channel. Go to permissions. Select everyone. Okay. Turn send messages off. Okay. Did I do it right? Something's not right. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Sure. That's good for now. And that's pretty much it. News, content, announcements. That's it. I think that's good. No, can you see how many people are in the community? Oh, I should download the app. That would make sense. What does a server boost mean? I think it costs money. Yup. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that definitely costs money. Okay. Alright, open option, open member lists. Look at the member list on the right side of the screen. Alright, we don't need his anymore. Show member list. Oh, there you go. Now, I don't know why. Edit per server profile. Edit main profile. Change avatar. Upload image. We are learning. Okay, let's go. Sure. Change background. Now we have a beautiful background that we're actually going to start saving now. This one's really good. I really like this background. Wait, that shouldn't be a movie. That should be a PNG. Now, also, we should go here. We should edit the channel. So it says, Billy Nights Live, setting up Discord. There you go. Okay. So now what we're gonna do open that up, apply, and then did it work? No, it didn't work. What? What? What am I doing wrong? Alright, I only clicked that because I wanted to make sure it was going to save. What's going on here? Why didn't it do that? I'm so confused. Okay, well at least that's that for now. We'll go iMovie. And we have to install Discord. Okay, I'm always like confused how to install different things. Okay, we're good. We got Discord going. Great. All right. Yo. Yo, we are live. We are live for a little bit longer. Finally setting up Discord a little. There we go. We'll just do that. Let me see if I'm good on my phone too, because I think I have two different Discord accounts. Oh, great. I'm on the right one. Perfect. All right. I was doing podcasts, as you know, but the editing took a long time, so we do streaming now. I have like an old friend that like messaged me, and yeah, so like we might even get him on here. How are we doing? Welcome to the stream. So we're setting up Discord, right? We I mean actually we did a lot. So like we got like the announcements page, we got the regular streaming page, we got this. Oh, interesting. I don't know what this is. We got the rules set up. Still trying to figure things out here. Nothing to see here. That's so funny. Events. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. So now I can at least text things on here, right? I don't really know what too many people use this Discord for. I think this is a guy that does like a study thing. Right, and then we got like the general one, and people are just talking. Oh wow, people haven't talked in here in a while. This is like some other guy's channel, it looks like. But yes, we have ours, and I'm sure we'll make more updates. So I think that's pretty cool. Let's see if we edit my profile a little bit more. Profile widgets. I don't know what that means. Are these something? Is this something I want? Connect accounts. Twitch. Authorize. Okay. Do we want to do YouTube maybe? Sure. Take all my information. Alright, cool. I don't know what that does or anything, but... Display on profile. Yeah, sure, right? Because then you go to my profile and I think it's going to be there. Well, at least we're learning, right? At least that's something set up. Great, I like that. Okay, cool. So now we can go here. Done. No, it's pretty easy to learn. I mean, I've used Discord briefly, but... Sweet. We don't really need that anymore, do we? Let's open up Discord, the app now. Doing some little updates. I don't know if I've ever had Discord on this specifically. Whoa. Okay, there we go. I got so confused. So many things just happened. Okay, quit and reopen. Allow, allow, allow. Take it all. Take all the information you want. Okay. Alright, we have to sign in now. Let me sign in real quick. Alright, let's scan this. Sweet. Awesome. Now we have the Discord set up. Now I think what we want to do though is change the picture, right? Because it seems like it's just my face, and that's kind of weird, right? Hold on, let's fix that. There you go. There we go. That makes so much more easy. That makes so much more sense, I should say. I'm sure we could edit all this. Let's go to here. Let's just copy this. And, you know, we could edit this actually too. We don't need. Okay, there's a bunch of things we could do here. So let's go to the dashboard real quick. Let's go to settings, channel. We don't need the contact here anymore. This is great. Okay, there we go. And then now we can take this and we could bring it to Discord. Yeah, you know, I think we could shorten this though, right? Can you shorten this? Can you shorten this? Okay. Oh. Okay. Sure. Save changes. Okay, great. There you go. That makes more sense to me. Okay, but we're done with that for now. We don't really need that. Oof, it's so bright. So this is what we have for here. I wonder if we should change that next. We should go to Notion now. Now I'm curious if we should do Notion. I should be able to log in. Well, we have to figure this out too. Honestly, that might be a project that we do next time. That's a lot. Alright, so... Alright, this is pretty much... This is pending, right? Because we have to make the next... We have the next script. We have to get the next recording for that. So that is a work in progress. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know if I want these call to action ones. I feel like the call to action is like, it's good for when you have a lot of people on the stream, but if you don't, it's just gonna be the bot talking to itself, right? Yes, let's do this chat one. Let's see. Open your Twitch creator dashboard. Okay, let's follow this along. How are we looking? How's everything else looking? This looks great. Okay, so let's go to dashboard and click chat, click settings. So wait, I missed a step. Oh, go to your chat. Is there a chat section? I didn't know that. Where do I go from here? Maybe someone out there knows. Stream manager. It's gonna lie to me. I think it's gonna do one of these. On the left, click stream manager. Oh, there we go. Chat panel. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, pop out. Am I clicking pop out? Oh, yeah. Well, that's not really what I wanted to do, but I want it to... Okay. Copy the URL from that website. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Okay, so this is a URL. Oh, okay. Okay. Whew. Okay. All right, we're making progress here. Okay. So copy the URL in OBS. Okay. Click this under sources. Oh, we're doing good right now. Okay. Click browser. Paste the URL. This is what I'm looking at right now. Oh my. What did I do? What is that? What am I looking at here? Log into Twitch. I don't even know where that is. This is so funny. What is this? You see it, but oh no, now we're gonna mess up everything. Uh-oh. I don't even know how to access this. Where is that? What is that even on? Oh, maybe I gotta go here. I don't need. Can I type in there? This is so funny. This is like, look, it has this, but I don't know if it exists. You know what? That's a project for. That might be a project for another time. That's so weird. No, there's gotta be a way to do it. Oh, you know what I have to do? I figured it out. No, okay. So the chat I'm talking about is clear, and it's usually on the stream. Yeah, it's stream elements. Okay, I had a feeling it wasn't gonna be. Can I just delete this? Okay. Alright, forget that. We need to go to stream elements. Okay. There we go. Yeah, sometimes ChatGPT just doesn't know. Okay, stream elements, log in, stream tools. Where do we go? Stream tools, overlays, create a blank overlay, add widget, stream tools. Oh gosh. Add widget, stream tools, stream tat. Okay. Now what? Okay. Customize it. Set the background to be transparent. Okay. I think we did that. Look at that. We're killing it. Choose the font. Choose your font and text size. I don't really care. What do I go from this? This seems like a YouTube type of thing that I need to do here. Alright, so what do? We created it, stream tool. Oh, here we go. Add widgets. Stream tools, chat box. Isn't this what this is? Okay. Chat box. Customize it. Choose the font. Enable message fade in and fade out if you want. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I like that. Okay. Click launch. Okay. Save. Overlay name, chat. Okay. Launch. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Oh, don't share this link with people you don't trust. Well, I hope it's okay to show it on stream. I don't think this matters. I can just delete this. But whatever. Okay. Okay, in OBS, we're going back to OBS. I'm a little scared, but that's okay. Browser. It should be called chat. And then here is the link. Let's hit OK. Now, it's on the top right. So what if we type something in chat? Hi. Oh, thank you. What about thank you for coming?
Nick of 9 Yaps said, thank you for coming.
Okay, well we got... I don't even know what we did, honestly. Oh, look, we got it. Oh my goodness, it's on the screen. But I don't see it. That's okay, I don't need to see it. That's so funny. Okay. Alright, we're making progress here. No, we'll leave it right there. Oh, we have to move everything around. Oh, okay. Okay. Whew. We're making progress, alright? We need some water for this. How's everyone doing? I'm doing pretty good. I'm still figuring things out. So... Okay. So this is great. I don't even think we need to edit this. I think what we need to do, though, in OBS is change all my hotkeys now. So... Wow, the message kind of stays there for a long time. I feel like it's been over 30 seconds. Messages are delayed by 0 seconds? Yeah. Messages fade after 15 seconds. Oh wait, show messages permanently. There we go. Should we do like 15 seconds? That makes sense to me. And then... You know what? Hold on, let's go back. Yeah, okay. I think we're good. So here's what we're gonna do. So, I think. Because I'm thinking, right, what if I move my thing up here and then chat just shows... Well, I think that's fine. Honestly, let's just leave it there. When it becomes a problem, we'll figure it out from there. But look at that! Now we have chat on the screen. I love it. So let's be done with this for now. Let's save. I think we're already done. Let's close out. And then I think we can refresh this, and now it shows chat. And now that is another thing. Oh gosh, let's get rid of this. This is crazy. I actually have this screen above me. It's on my screen up here. So let's just be done with that for now, because that was a lot. Alright, and now we can cross it off. That was actually not too bad. See, I don't like... I usually use like YouTube videos to help me out, but we're just figuring this out without having to do that, because I don't think I could show those YouTube videos. Okay. What are we at right now? Like 3 hours? Sweet. Okay, make new t-shirt, create more alerts. Yeah, I mean, we could do that. But honestly, let's just leave that up for now, because we could have one that shows the Discord. We could have one that shows like different things. I think we'll leave that up for now, though. And then we have an article that we're going to be making soon. We have to make blogs. We do have to get blogs going. Edit offline stream. We have to do that too. And we have to start making stories for the fall and finding vintage content. Make a merchant success playbook, which is pending. Make photos for everything. We still have to make photos for everything. Maybe we should start doing that, honestly. Let's, But we're not even monetized yet. Can you even subscribe? Honestly, let's see if we can even... Let's use our DuckDuckGo method. I don't even know if you could subscribe right now. Who knows? I wonder if I could, Yeah, you could. You literally could. But we're gonna leave that out for now. I don't think we're even there yet. So let's just go like this for now. I don't think we're there yet. Good, we're doing great. Okay. Yep, this is next. We have to do this too. That's actually the same thing as... Yeah, okay, that's not the same thing. We have to change our backgrounds. Edit stream. Yeah, you know, let's check that out real quick. We're optimizing here. So this Eventbrite. I guess we could have just clicked it from there. This is a 4-hour stream. I'm thinking, did we work on Eventbrite this whole time? Oh wow, I went through creator. We did a lot. I like how we're like saving this journey here. Because what I'm thinking here is that we we make a video about creating an Eventbrite. Like we're not gonna clip, right? But what we could do is create an Eventbrite video, and then it could be like how to set up Eventbrite. Because I wonder if you go to YouTube. Let's just go to home. Can we go home? There we go. How to make an event on Eventbrite. See, that's 3 years ago. I guess there's a lot of people that do it already, though. So that might not be worth the time. Wow, there's a lot. Maybe not. Because that's not really our content, right? Our content is more of like what we're doing on here, like just figuring things out and stuff like that. Okay. There we go, we're doing good here. You know what, it's 10 o'clock. I think we're gonna call it. I think we've done a lot today. Because I have to go through my notes and I have to edit some things. But what we did a lot, we worked on Discord. We added this widget to our amazing social media page. We edited more of the... Excuse me, we edited more of the video. And we added the chat on the screen, which is pretty cool now. And I think we're doing great. I wonder if anyone that was following is live. No one's live, man. We gotta find people at night to connect with. But look, we did all of this. That's pretty good. It was a light video yesterday, but we worked a lot on the video. We added hashtags. Sweet. I love it. I love it. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed. I enjoyed it. It was great. It's always good to come back and then just do a nice stream. This is a little bit longer too. It's 3 hours in. We did a little extra hour today, which is nice. So I think that's gonna be it for today. I have I don't even know what time I have to be up tomorrow. What are we looking at? Let's see. Nice, go for it. Sweet. What's up, Milo? You want to say goodbye to everyone? No. Come back over here. Don't go anywhere. He doesn't want me to lift, I bet, but we're going to lift him anyway. And you're going to say, oh, everyone. Look at him. He's so nice. What's up, Milo? You want to go down? He wants to go down. I'm not good at lifting him up. But I'm good at petting him. He likes to pet. He's just sitting down here. He probably wants dinner. So, alright, well that's gonna be it. Thanks for joining. Ask any questions you like. Yeah, that Yams guy was, we were talking a lot. That was, we had a really great conversation today. And that's gonna be it. We got our YouTube videos out to see our past streams. We're gonna have a lot more stuff to do on stream 11. Let's get that going. And tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, week's going pretty well. Hope your week is going good. Let me know how it's going. Join the Discord. We're going to we're gonna add more to that eventually. And yeah, the journey is only beginning. Well, it's been 2 years, but the streaming journey is only beginning. And we're gonna have yeah, we have like some projects in here that we're gonna do, like vintage content. I can explain all that. That's like for our story posts. We're working on those tutorials. We have an article that's coming. But we don't. It's not uploaded just yet, so let's just leave that down there. Oh wait, you can't even see this. Okay. Yeah, need to create more alerts. We're getting there. Honestly, yeah, we're getting there. Optimize Facebook for stream. Some things are just pending, right? Let's go like this. Sweet. But we're getting into the flow, right? We edit the YouTube videos and stuff like that. Well, have a good one. It's always great streaming, and I'll see you tomorrow.